Hello, 你好. My name is Sui Huang and I'm Chinese. My Chinese name is Huang Sui Fang. And today we are learning the new movement. That's a Qigong movement called 8-piece brocade. The Chinese name is 八段锦. So 八 means 8. Duan is pieces. Brocade. Brocade this means that the movement gonna be soft, flexible, and really fine. So that is the called 八段锦. And these movements is really popular Qigong exercises in China. And these form last at least 2,000 years. And the reason lasts that long because it works and people like it. And all these years they learn from that because these 8 movements work on different bodies and make the circulation better and massage your organs, make the digestion systems work better. So different movements have different meanings, different purpose doing that. So I have 4 good reasons for you to learn this 八段锦. The number 1 reason, and it's easy to learn. Everybody can learn. No matter what age you are, what condition you are, and you can learn it. Because even though you can sit down and learn to do the exercises, that would be fine too. Okay, I call that seated 八段锦. So number 2 reason is you don't need spaces, a lot of spaces. Like if you can stand up, then you can do the exercises. So you don't have to move around like a Tai Chi, walk to one side and then the other. As long as you can stand up, then you can do the exercises. And number 3 reason, and that is most inexpensive exercises which we don't need any equipment. So you can just move your arms, move your body, move your legs, and whatever it is. That's another reason you want to learn. And the number 4 reason is you can do your exercises anytime you want to, and whenever you have time. And also this form is not long form, and 8 movements you can either from 5 minutes to 15-20 minutes, depends how much time you have, how fast you want to do it, and how slow you want to do it. And that is the really easy thing to do. Anytime you can do it. Okay, so all these Qigong form, I hope you like it, and we'll learn it together. Okay, 谢谢。